Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And today I will be talking about how to get your first 1,000 followers of Instagram, because it's like really difficult to get the first 1,000 followers. So I gave a poll on Instagram on two topics, and how to gain the first 1,000 followers won. What I did, I went through each and every profile who voted for how to get the 1,000 followers, first 1,000 followers. And yeah, I'll be explaining what you guys are doing wrong. So let's start with the video. I will be talking about pretty much everything and what you should do. I seriously don't know. I have not written down any of the points, but I've gone through all the profiles. Okay, so I have noticed a lot of you who have voted for like I want 1,000 followers. You have kept your profile private. Are you serious? Why will people come to like see your profile? Just like this is your DP, your picture of Instagram, and your profile is private, and you are not even a public figure. So why will people follow you? Why? So first thing, get rid of that private account. Make a separate private account and make a public account. All it depends, like what are you doing Instagram for? Just for like chatting with people, or you just want to be an influencer or blogger? That depends. So if you are going to keep your profile private, you are not going to gain any followers. I didn't think that I have to like talk about this basic step, like making the account public, but I saw so many of you who have like kept your accounts like private. That only works if you are someone famous. For example, Selena Gomez sets her account to like private something, and people who are not following her will try to follow her. She will get millions of follow requests, but that's not the case for us. We are not famous, we're not even known, so why will people send us requests? So make the account public. Second of all, people who have kept their account public have not done something. That's like you have not set your account to a business profile. Go to the editing profile portion, which is like present in the bio, and there is the option to transfer your account to a business account. That gives you more exposure and a lot of knowledge. You can see your insights, you can see when you should post, when your followers are active, when you should post, which day you should post, and yeah, you can see your insights, the number of saves, the number of shares. So make the account a business profile. Basically, what I saw in all of your profiles who have voted, I have seen that your profile is not properly set. First was like the private and public, second was the business, and the third one, you have to choose a category for your profile. Like I sometimes experiment with the category, because sometimes changing the category can suddenly bring you some new followers. So mostly I stick to art, because I do DIYs, but sometimes I change it to like a video creator. There are many options like sports, lifestyle. Just choose one category. Getting the first 1,000 followers, it's like really difficult, really difficult. How I got the first 1,000 followers is mainly on the basis of proper hashtags that many of you are not using. I went through your pictures. I forgot your name. Actually, there are two girls. I forgot their name, but I guess if you're watching this, then you'll understand. You are not using hashtags, and using hashtags doesn't mean that you will put any hashtag. Hashtags related to like your post. Also, sometimes you can be a little bit sneaky and add like something else, just so that that picture pops out in another page. Maybe one or two people will be interested. You can do that. That's like not wrong, but you can do that. But mostly try to write the relevant hashtags. I gained my first 1,000 followers on the basis of proper hashtags. I never actually used hashtags at the beginning, like first year. What's hashtag? I had no idea what's hashtag. But then after watching a lot of YouTube videos, I understood like I have to use hashtags. So hashtags are very important. Your picture will show up to those pages, so use hashtags. It is 100% important to use hashtags. And nowadays there is a problem, which is why I suffer a lot. For the last 6 months I have been using the same hashtags on most of the pictures, so you can get shadow banned for that. actually Instagram's new algorithm. So earlier I used to use the same hashtags and used to get a lot of views, but now Instagram is shadow banning if you constantly use one set of hashtags. So I would recommend you guys to use a lot of like hashtags for different days. You just cannot post the same hashtags. You have to make separate hashtags like for different days. Otherwise Instagram thinks that you're spamming. So I got shadow banned for that. And that's the reason I'll show you one of my posts. This one got so much of reach. And this one, I use the same hashtags. It didn't even reach out to that many people because Instagram thought I was spamming. So yeah, change your hashtags, but use the hashtags. Hashtags can give you a lot of followers. Try to stick to like 16 to 20 hashtags. The lesser the hashtags, the better it is for you because of the new algorithm. Instagram is very weird with its algorithm. It changes, and right now Instagram's algorithm is really bad, really difficult. It's very difficult to beat the algorithm. So try not to do these mistakes because Instagram will shadow ban you. Now those were the basic factors. The sun is literally killing me, but wow, I have to film it here. Anyways, those are the basic things that you need to maintain. Now as a beginner to Instagram, I consider you a beginner because you don't have 1,000 followers. So yeah, I'll consider you as a beginner. You have to follow people. I didn't say follow for follow. You have to follow and support people who are struggling like you, who want to do something for their account, who are working on their account, smaller accounts. You have to support each other, comment on each other's post. That's very important, supporting other creators, because Instagram's algorithm, once again, it's really bad. There was a time 2015, 16, 17, Instagram's algorithm was like this: you post, you put hashtags, you get followers. I didn't have to engage a lot to get my 1,000 followers. It was all by hashtags. But nowadays engagement is all that matters. So you have to follow people, small creators like you, who will follow back, and you guys can support each other. Like if the other one posts, you can go and comment on their picture, and then she also will come back to your post and comment on your picture. That's really important. The follow and unfollow thing, but if you do this right now, you are not growing. Remember, Instagram has like its eye all over your account, all over your activities. If you are following 50 people and then unfollowing them, Instagram will block your actions and shadow ban you. You will not get any followers. Your posts will get blocked. It won't reach to anyone. So right now, Instagram's algorithm really loves engagement. So it's really good if you are a part of an engagement group. Now I seriously don't know how to approach people about engagement groups, because personally I was being approached by a lot of engagement groups, and I was a part of like many engagement groups, really nice engagement groups, but I always came out of those groups because I couldn't keep up with the engagement, because there were a lot of people and I felt like really stressed out. Like I had to comment on 30 to 35, 40 people's pictures and it just became really stressful, and I seriously don't like the concept of engagement groups. However, it's really beneficial. If you want to beat the algorithm, that's the only way. Engagement will give you a lot of support, and if you are a part of an engagement group, you will gain a lot of followers as well. So be a part of an engagement group. Now if you are confused like how do I get approached by engagement group, I'm like literally a small I was literally a small account and people won't even approach me to be a part of engagement groups. So for that, I will suggest find people like you who have less followers, who are new to Instagram, who are really talented but working daily. So together, even 10 of you or 8 of you together form a group and engage on each other's post. Form a group and then you send the link of the post to the group so that other people can go and comment on your pictures. But trust me, this year's algorithm is totally on engagement. So hashtags will help you, but nothing like engagement. So you have to do something different from the other accounts, something that will attract people posting a picture, you're also posting a picture, and there has to be like something different in those pictures. Maybe the editing, maybe the background, a lot of things depend. Something eye-catchy. The editing matters a lot. I have 2 videos on like how to edit your Instagram pictures. I'll link that in the description. However, there are a lot of more like editing videos on YouTube. You can look for that. You have to learn a way to edit the pictures because that's really eye-catchy. I know like people are like, oh my god, that's a lot of edit, a lot of catfish, and people are so fake these days. But that's how Instagram functions. Sorry. So if you don't do those editing, you are not getting any followers. That's really sad. I know I'm saying it. It's really sad, but yeah, that's how it works. And all of these things won't matter if you are like really talented. Like suppose you're an artist, you're drawing like wow. You're just drawing Harry Potter's face, you're just drawing all celebs' face, like you're an amazing artist. I think that way it will be easier for you to gain followers without much of like editing or presentation. People have to be like really talented for like that. If you are not going to use filters or editing apps, so you have to be like this. I'm not this, I am like where? There, I don't know, I can't find myself. Consistency is the key. Sad. Consistency is the key. It doesn't matter if you get 20 likes one day and next day you get 200 and the next day you get 10 likes. You have to post every day. Every freaking day. Without consistency, you will never grow. You will never grow. You have to post every day. Every freaking day. It doesn't matter how many likes you get, how many comments you get. If you want to grow, you have to post daily. You have to engage daily. Yes, and you have to set a time when you will post your pictures. Generally, I post at 9 p.m. because that's the time. As you can see, I have the highest like number of followers active at that time. If you are like just posting pictures like, oh, I went to Nico Park today, oh, I went to eat ice cream today, people are not going to follow you. You will say, oh, that beauty influencer posts the same thing. No, honey, that's a beauty influencer who has worked for like years, and now she can post those pictures because people want to see her life. People are not interested in your life, in my life, because we are nothing right now. We are nothing. People are not interested. People are just interested in our work, not to know us personally. People are just interested in your work, and yeah, so you have to post daily. That's another thing. You are building up your account. You are building up your content. As I said, doesn't matter how many likes or views or whatever you get. But when you post daily, you have something to show to an outsider who has just now like found out your channel through hashtag, and he or she will come up to your channel and see, okay, this guy or girl has posted only 5 pictures. Although the picture is good, but why should I follow this person? This person has only 20 to like 25 pictures. Why should I follow this person? She is not even consistent. I generally don't follow those people. So yeah, consistency is the key. You have to post daily. That way people know that you will come up with good content, maybe weekly or like daily, twice. It's really good if you post daily. Trust me, it's really good if you post daily. Lastly, I don't recommend you guys to do giveaways. I have seen this video idea on so many YouTube channels. They have said like, do giveaways, you'll get followers, because giveaway has rules. You have to follow the account, you have to follow the brand account. Trust me, people are just interested in that Lavi bag or Huda Beauty makeup or some sort of makeup or the product. Basically, they are interested in the product, not in your account. So they will follow you. The minute the contest is over, they will all unfollow you. So don't waste your money to get followers. Don't just do giveaways. Do giveaways when you are like in a place to do giveaways. If you get demotivated just on the basis of likes, then sorry to say you, none of the social media platform is for you, because it's not easy to grow on any of the social media platforms. I know some do get lucky, but most of them don't. So you have to keep on working because you love doing that. I love doing DIYs and hairstyle videos. I don't care how many views I get. I post daily. Last day I got 40 likes in a picture.
Generally, I get 500 likes in the picture. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I'll post daily. So that's how you do Instagram. You have to work daily without thinking about what, like, how many likes, how many views. And if you're doing Instagram on like just like that, like on the basis of views and likes, you will probably stop posting consistently because you will get demotivated, and yeah, that's where Instagram stops your work. So stop thinking about likes and views. Just keep on working and don't do stupid things. Like, make a post that has like a meaning. Do something productive rather than I posting something very weird. I seriously, if you want to do something creative, people will follow you. Trust me, people will actually support you, follow you, promote your work. I've seen this. So yeah, my voice is like gone. I'm really sick. I was just bored. I didn't film for like the last 3 days. So I was like, okay, I'll film today, but I'm actually really sick. My voice is actually gone. Okay, so those are the basics that you need to do for getting your first 1,000 followers. Try them. I feel like you will gain at least not 1,000, but you will get at least like 500 followers. Like, you should. These things should work. So yeah, if you like the video, then like the video, subscribe to my channel. I generally don't make these types of videos. Mostly I make DIYs and hairstyles, so you follow me if you are into those. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.